Welcome in a new video from Best Tech channel. In this video I will show you 5 new technologies for daily life use, and you will find all the links for the products in the description box. Let's go. COSORI Coffee Mug Warmer and Mug Set. It is the most easy to use and maintain coffee warmer till now. It's one of Amazon's best choices to buy, as it's highly rated from many customers with its better thermal conductivity and greatest quality. It has a touch screen to allow you to control the temperature of your drink by easily switching between Fahrenheit and Celsius. The stainless steel mug is built with a cool touch handle, a silicone slip-resistant sleeve, and a stylish brushed finish. Also, the flat bottom makes full contact with the warming plate to keep your coffee hot. A high-tech film heating element allows the plate to go up to 230 degrees Fahrenheit, which meaning your beverage temperature will range from 77 to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Stopsleep. Stopsleep is an anti-sleep alarm for drivers who could be fall asleep while driving very long distance. Stopsleep will alert you as soon as it notices that you are starting to lose your concentration. Stopsleep will alert at the first signs of a drop in awareness, activating even before you reach the dangerous state of microsleep, ensuring you always remain alert and safe at the wheel. It continually measures your level of awareness and concentration by using 8 built-in sensors which monitor your brain activity. It can accurately gauge your level of awareness and concentration. As soon as your levels of concentration start to drop, it will alert you immediately via its 2-stage alarm system: vibration for warning and loud, deep, and vibration for dangerous cases. IDOLCAM. IDOLCAM is a vlogging camera that built like a professional Hollywood movie camera. Condensed a 4K camera, a 3-axis gimbal, an interchangeable lens system, lighting, and a flip screen into one compact device that only weighs 275 grams. IDOLCAM package comes with a 16mm rectilinear lenses for vlogging and a 10mm fisheye lenses for action sport. It's like having a vlogging and an action camera into one device. Plus, it's compact and all-metal 5-section selfie stick, a luxury hard protection case, and one battery. IDOLCAM also have additional lenses, from microscopic lenses to macro, portrait, and low-light telephoto lenses. Want to read in bed with your love and often be complained about the interference? This trouble is solved by this special LED neck reading light from Glocusent. Its narrow beam angle design is restricted to the target area and is bright enough for you, and at the same time dim enough to not disturb others nearby. There are also multi-setting for color temperature and brightness. Its battery can work up to 80 hours. No more frequently hunt for plug. Now you can focus exactly on what you are doing freely whenever for reading in bed, camping, repairing, or other tasks. Jetboil. Jetboil Flash is the fastest stove on the planet to boil water, as you can boil 1 liter of water in just 100 seconds. Start heating instantly with the convenient, reliable push-button igniter and verify that the water is ready with the thermochromatic color change heat indicator. It is ideal for backpacking, camping, camp cooking, fishing, hunting, and emergency use. It is also compatible with other accessories such as the hanging kit, flux ring cooking pot, and utensils. It's quick to set up, quick to back up, no loose parts. Jetboil cooking system saves backspace and makes storage and transportation a breeze.